Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel, and today we'll talk about avalanche price target for 2023 and potential move for the next bull run. Let's dive in. First of all, I would like to remind you why on this channel we analyze only technical picture and why we not pay attention for fundamental. Because take a look here. Just yesterday, Alibaba Cloud built the Metaverse Launchpad on Avalanche. So it's crazy. You know what is Alibaba Cloud, It's a crazy partnership. It's a adoption, in the world. So the big companies start using the blockchains. And we got what? We got only 3% movement on a chart. That's why we analyze only the technical picture for this coin, because market makers totally don't care about the fundamental. They just speculate a coin. They can pump easily and dump easily any single asset, That's why we analyze the technical picture, and I would like to show it on my custom maker set what my metrics shows. So let's take a look at just basic analysis. Can draw the 2 fips for avalanche, because like I always explain you, not every single altcoin beat the previous high than this one in January, in April 2021. But some of them, yes, many altcoins shown the chart like this one and drop. Some of them draw something like avalanche, Cody, or Shiba Inu. So if you take a look here and we count this top, because the listing price was here in September 2020, at the lowest point was 85 cents. Then avalanche pumped it to $60. Here was the top. We drop it down to 27 zone. Here, minus 0.18 level by FIB, it's 27 zone. Every single time when you see the coin on the weekly time frame drop to 27 zone, it's good time for accumulation. Then we got the new high on avalanche. And the top was here at over than 2.61 level by FIB at let's take a look, $147. Then we drop. Here, bounce and collapse it down. And we come back once again to 27 zone. Here, the same things, That's why this FIB can be still relevant, and we got a few gaps where we can come back and close sooner or later. What I don't like now on this chart, we still, it's similar like Solana. We still didn't close these 2 gaps. These 2 gaps is not necessary, so we have to come back and close, but most likely I think we will see once again, maybe not now, we will see at least avalanche at $9. Maybe after even new all-time high, avalanche can come into this level, maybe after even 2 years. So never say never, And the last one is here. It's around $3.97 till $5.68. I don't think so we'll go so low, from $17. But most likely, yes, we can close at least 50% of this gap. It will be exactly 27 level, $8.90. Full fill will be around $7.50. So the similar story with Solana. It's not necessary, so we have to collapse it now. But just keep in mind this scenario. It will be the good time for accumulation. But I told you, we can see these levels even after the new all-time high. So the bullish scenario is here. We got a gaps, 2 main ones. So this like a magnet now for avalanche. First one, it's 23.62 till 26.55. So this just the first one, what we can come back and close. The next one, the major, look, this is a huge untradeable zone. It's between 78 level by FIB, $51 till 36. And like you can see, based on this FIB, we got here 61 level by FIB and 0.5 level by FIB. So this is like a magnet. So at least if we will see some altcoin season, we can go and close 50% of this weekly gap. And it will be 61 level by FIB, around $45. We can see from this current price It can be only 162%. It's not a big deal, for Avalanche, with all this major partnership, And maybe after that, we can see even drop one more time down. But like I told you, it's not necessary, so we have to see this now or even 2024. So based on this FIB, we got two bullish gaps where we can come back and close, and bearish. So let's take a look on volume, fixed volume range. If we go from the top to the bottom here, the most crucial level is here now. So if we pass breaking out these levels, retest it, the road will be open to these targets. There is no pressure from sellers. That's why this is most likely what we can see. Also, if we take a look on this volume range from the bottom here, let's add a magnet here to the top. This level is still the main level what we have to breaking out now. So no pressure from sellers, only now here. So when the big whales hold this line and going higher, retail investors will jump into this coin. And maybe after that, we'll see once again the distribution. So now let's take a look on indicators. A to Z. The biggest accumulation on Avalanche on the weekly time frame was here in June 2022. The price was $13. Then we're forming the huge divergence. Here, like you can see, divergence. And lower low on the chart. From 13, we dropped to $10. Of course, we have all chances forming one more time low, close full fill of this gap around $7 and forming low here, and will be divergence like this one. Still will be divergence. But anyway, in any cases, if we drop from 17 to $7, it will be more bullish than bearish. It doesn't mean the avalanche going to zero, If we take a look on monthly time frame, you can see we never touch the bottom here. That's why if we hold this line, we can see the continuation trend. If we not hold this line, we can see the massive collapse even to the lowest point, around $4. That's why you have to always work with your own risk, And now on weekly time frame, I'm more bullish than bearish, even if we drop to $7. Because we got a divergence. It means the big whales accumulate a lot for $13. But for whales will be more than enough to pump from $13. And if they accumulate at 10, the average price, for example, at 18 level by FIB, $12, they can easily push the price to $24, $25, withdraw initial deposit, close this full fill, and leave just the free coins. And the problem, like I always explained, the problem with the timing, because the whales doesn't care about the timing. They can invest 1 million at $12, push the price to $24, withdraw initial deposit, and they got potential not realized $1 million more. This is how it works. So let's take a look on crypto flight direction. Here, no signal to sell. It's more, once again, more bullish than bearish. We got here a signal to accumulation. So the whales accumulate from November 2022 till January. Got a signal to buy. Here was signal to buy on a daily. We got signal to buy earlier here at the bottom. Signal to sell. No signal new one to buy. That's why this can be still relevant. So let's take a look on weekly on crypto flight market mode. Here, every single time when you see the coin in extreme red color, it's time to distribute. So you have to understand, this is the zones where the big players redistribute their coins. So if somebody bought at $1, it's more than enough for the whales distribute this coin at even $2, $10, $40, and at 100. Then the price drop and the whales start accumulate. That's why I use the market mode indicator to determine the zones. We can't find the exact bottom for coins, but we can determine the zones. So the big players start accumulate from $21 here in August 2022 till January 2023. So we got, for example, $21, then drop here $12, $10. Average price can be around this level, around 17. So they can easily push the price once again to this imbalance zone, $35 withdraw initial deposit and just leave free coins and come back once again. Just for example, you push the price here, withdraw initial deposit 1 million, come back down again and accumulate 1 million more and go into new all-time high in the next bull run. So this is how it works, how you can determine the phase. Where's now the whales? On the monthly time frame, yes, we're still in distribution. The whales can drop price more and more and more. So we're now still in distribution area for whales. They in huge profit from, just for example here, from the listing price till now, the whales still in almost 2K profit. Even we passed the bear market for avalanche. But it's not an option, so they have to crash the price. But we remember what happened with Solana when the Google Cloud announcement the partnership with Solana. The price crashed 69% on the next day. So if we take a look on the trade on, here we got signal to sell, signal to sell, signal to sell. No new signal to buy or something, This green boxes, it's showing us, let's see, look more clear. It's showing us the recommendation to close position. So if you open it, for example, short position on avalanche, here it show on the next candle after the top. Here, if you open it short here, first recommendation close position 48%. Then 87, then 90%. Sooner or later, maybe we will see the signal take profit, like I showed you on XRP. And then we will see the signal to buy. But it's not unnecessary, so we have to see it now. It can be even after the new all-time high. So most positive scenario, we can go to new all-time high in the next 2 years, for example. And only after that, we can collapse it down to close all gaps. This one, liquidate all these guys, And based on this FIB, the top can be even 165 or even 190, for avalanche just easily, And the last indicator is take profit indicator. This indicator showed the real value of coin. And every single time, when we trade under fundamental price, it's good time for accumulation, good time to buy. So basically, we walk from level to levels, and now the fundamental price, the real value of AVAX, it's $23. Buy line, it's 32. Take profit, it's 63. So you see all this dynamic on the price movement. So from June 2022 till May 2023, no crazy dumps or something, So it's stable. All these lines are dynamic. We can curve even down or even up, but we walk from level to level. So if we pass the buy line, the road will be open to take profit line. It's $63. Exit line 71 at this current moment, and we walk from level to level. So basically, if we make a move like this one to take profit, we come back to buy line once again. So if we pass now, for example, $60, close the major full fill, here, this one, and going to take profit, we can come back once again to 0.23 by FIB from $60 till the buy line, minus 50% drop to 0.23 by FIB at 30%. So this is how it works. This is why I recommend you to use all this indicator set in complex, because on every single indicator, I add the most value information, the most value data, what you need for swing trades and for investments. So guys, I hope you like this video. subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and write this comment. What do you think about this current situation on Avalanche? Are we going up or down now? And if you want to trade with my custom maker set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.